Go ahead. Z-axis. Yeah. Nice and quiet. Do the X-axis. Oh, Y-axis. X-axis. Go. X-axis rapid. This is 50% rapid because we're too scared to do 100%. 100% works, but it happens too fast for manual. That's Y-axis rapid. 50% rapid on Z-axis. There we go. We're going to start the spindle at 2,000 RPM.
Wow, that's fast.
Go.